Hello everyone. In this lecture of the Essential Calculus problem series, I will solve limit as x approaches to 4 square root of x minus 2 divided by x minus 4. Okay, and I will write the problem again. Limit as x approaches to 4, not 0, 4. Square root of x minus 2 divided by x minus 4. Firstly, I try direct substitution here, and we get square root of 4 minus 2 divided by 4 minus 4, and square root of 4 is equal to 2. Then this will give us 0 divided by 0. Direct substitution gives us an indeterminate form. Since direct substitution gives 0 divided by 0, we can't evaluate the limit yet. We should first simplify the expression to remove the indeterminate form. Here we use the identity for difference of squares because we know that a minus b multiplied by a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. And we have this, and when we have a square root in the numerator, multiplying by the conjugate of the numerator often removes the indeterminate form. So I will multiply this expression by square root of x plus 2 and divide by square root of x plus 2. Here we have square root of x for a and we have 2 for b. Then we get limit as x approaches to 4. We have square root of x squared minus 2 squared divided by x minus 4 multiplied by square root of x plus 2, and this is equal to limit as x approach limit as x approaches to 4, x minus 4 divided by x minus 4 square root of x plus 2. Now we have factors x minus 4 and x minus 4 here. We know that x is approaching to 4. As x approaches to 4 here, x minus 4 approaches to 0. But x minus 4 is approaching to 0. X minus 4 is not 0. Since x minus 4 and x minus 4 here are the common factors and they are equal and they are different than 0, then we can cancel them here. And we get limit as x approaches to 4, 1 divided by square root of x plus 2. And now we can substitute the number 4 here. You should know that we do not substitute the number 4 before simplifying. If we substitute first, the expression becomes undefined. We get 0 divided by 0 there. But after simplifying the expression, we can now substitute 4 for the x. Now we have 1 divided by square root of 4 plus 2, and this will be equal to 1 divided by 2 plus 2 equals to 4. And the answer is 1 over 4. And in the next video, I will solve limit as x approaches to 0, 1 minus square root of 1 minus x divided by x. See you on the next video.